One of the key things when we're designing and building this house, as you know, it's on Grand Designs Australia, so we didn't want to use any product. We tried to look for what was the best of its range. So during the building process, we made mistakes and we found products we liked and products we didn't like. For me, the LYSAGHT product, the Enseam, that's the product I fell in love with during this build. It was so easy to use. It covers so quickly and so fast. And in fact, my new house that I'm building, I'm not using any concrete anymore, and I'm going to put that Enseam product going to be on the roof and the walls, and I'm not going to have any concrete. It's just going to be completely with the Enseam monument mat. That was the standout for us. My architect said the same thing. When she saw it, she said she'll definitely be recommending on all of her projects that require something like that. I love that LYSAGHT product. I can't wait to use it again.